Hi, I'm Dr. Amir Karam, and I'd like to welcome you to our practice, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. I chose the field of facial plastic surgery because I recognize that the face means a lot to people. Their appearances are very important to them, and I wanted to be in a position where I could help people with something that's very important and meaningful. And the other aspect of it is that it's an extremely creative field. Every case is somewhat different from each other, even though they're under the same general procedure title. They're all different, and each case you have to make moment-to-moment judgments that will ultimately affect the outcome, whether you have a natural result or a good outcome or a great outcome. One of my goals from the very beginning was to have the ability to be a leader in the field. I've had the opportunity to write over 20 chapters in various textbooks that teach other surgeons how to perform these procedures, and I've had the privilege of having the opportunity to write my own textbook on many of the procedures that we do on a daily basis here in our practice. So one of the things that I've always maintained a strong commitment to is to be able to speak at our national meetings and our international conferences. So being in the forefront and innovating various procedures and teaching other surgeons and medical students keeps us at the lead position so that we're always doing the things that are the most innovative and up-to-date and giving those opportunities to the patients who will ultimately benefit from it. I've been fortunate to be able to narrow down my specialty to just a handful of procedures that I love to do. My dedication to this very narrow area that I've chosen to focus on in the spectrum of facial rejuvenation, surgery, and rhinoplasty. And because of that passion and pleasure of doing these procedures, I dedicate myself completely to those procedures to make sure that I could be the best of the best within those areas and always leading and developing them so they get better and better all the time. And the way we earn the patient's trust is by having integrity. I treat every single patient as if they're my own family member. And what I mean by that specifically is that if somebody comes in and they have a particular concern, I would give them the advice that I would give my own family member. So in many cases, they're coming in ready to have a procedure and I'm telling them no, they're not ready for it yet. And I think those type of qualities develop and earn a long-term patient-doctor relationship, which is so important for us in our practice. So a core belief in our practice is that our appearance has a significant impact into the way we feel. If we can help make people feel better by affecting their appearance, then we've done our job. The most important quality that sets me apart is the level of commitment and dedication to a very, very narrow spectrum of procedures. That level of experience and commitment to my craft helps me have outcomes that are more predictable as well as more natural, and ultimately that benefits the patients and gives them the security that they're going to get the results that they're hoping for.